at home, fears over COVID ID are impacting daily life. More schools across the area are closing as more cases are confirmed.
Well, Eyewitness News reporter Trang Do joins us live from the CBS 3 News Center with the latest on the outbreak in our area. Good morning, Trang.
Good morning, Jim and Jan. We've learned that Esperanza Academy and Clymer Elementary School will both be closed for the remainder of the week for deep cleaning. Meanwhile, Pennsylvania's total case of COVID-19 cases is now at 16. The latest identified case is a member of law enforcement in Montgomery County.
With 9 cases, Montgomery County has the highest number of COVID-19 diagnoses in Pennsylvania. The newest case is a 35-year-old Lower Providence police officer who lives in Perkiomen Township.
His symptoms do not require hospitalization, and he is currently at home being monitored.
Dr. Val Arkush, chair of the Montgomery County Board of Commissioners, says the officer contracted coronavirus from another person who previously tested positive. County officials are in the process of contacting anyone who may have had contact with the officer. So far, Philadelphia has just one presumptive positive case. However, the city has activated its Emergency Operations Center. The center will be open on a limited basis and will coordinate the city's response to any new cases. We've also learned Clymer Elementary School will be closed for the rest of the week so cleaning crews can disinfect the building. A student presented flu-like symptoms, and that student has relatives who visited a country with widespread coronavirus activity. Meanwhile, the state of Delaware has recorded its first case of COVID-19. Officials say the patient is a man over the age of 50 who is associated with the University of Delaware. He was exposed out of state and is now isolated at home. In New Jersey, 8 new presumptive positive cases bring the Garden State's total to 23. For the first time, officials haven't figured out the origin of how 2 people contracted the virus, stoking fears this could be community spread.
Community spread indicates that the coronavirus is amongst us. And we have an expectation that that may be the case.
Now, especially because of these community spread cases, officials are warning the public to avoid large gatherings where people stand or sit close together. For now, we're live from the CBS 3 News Center. I'm Trang Do, CBS 3 Eyewitness News. Back to you guys.
All right, Trang, thank you.